what exactly do we have going on right here? Because this is my computer, but I've got a bunch of extra parts here. What exactly are we doing today? Actually talked to one of my previous coworkers who was looking to get a PC built for his son. And I said, I actually might have just the computer for Hugh. I figured that I would get him this computer, but there was a few of the pieces that I wanted to keep for myself because at some point in time I plan on rebuilding this machine, and I definitely wanted to keep some of these parts. As much as I love trying things, switching things out, I absolutely love this Thermaltake case, and I don't think it's for everybody. To be honest, I don't think that everybody wants an open air case like this. I don't think it's the best for everybody. I think this is one of the things that somebody like me loves. It's a workbench. It's a really easy to swap pieces in and out. Just not something that a lot of people need. So instead of giving him a really, really expensive case that he doesn't even want, I went and picked up this Inland X1 beautiful looking case for a lot less money, which I think is going to be absolutely fantastic. Picked up an extra hard drive so that I don't have to completely reformat mine. I can just swap them out. As well, I picked up this RTX 4060 for him. Very, very low power consumption. Really, really great power for what he's looking to do. 1080p gaming at 144 hertz. This is an amazing card to be able to do that with. Instead of giving up my 4060 Ti Founders Edition, I figured I'm going to keep that one around for a little bit longer. So let's take this one apart and put it in the new case. All right, so we're going to take out, hopefully basically take power supply, motherboard, AIO off of this, and basically be able to transfer all of that to the new case. We got everything out. Now we just need to get it in this bad boy. This is not going to fit in here with this back fan. But is that the only thing? Does this even fit in here? I don't think it's going to fit. That's 2.5 inches. That is not. It's like 1 3/4. All right, well. AIO is in there, up against those fans, and ready to go. Okay, so now we need to finish screwing the motherboard in, now that we know that that is going to work. Alright, so about the only thing we've got left outside of some cable management is putting in the graphics card. So let's see where this one lands. Alright, plug that in right there. And I think that should work. Alright, so let's get this hooked up, plugged into a monitor, and let's see if it boots up. Alright, so this thing is obviously not patched up yet, not cable managed, anything like that, but we've got it plugged into a monitor, we've got it plugged into some power, so we're gonna see how it looks. We're gonna see if it boots. Alright, that is a fantastic sign. Everything lighting right up, everything looking amazing. Look at that. We've got the BIOS, and it's looking good. Looking good. It's like it's recognizing everything. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. It was beautiful. All of those were pre-installed. Alright. Perfect. Let's get Windows installed.